Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on your Anmeate blood pressure monitor. First, you're going to need the blood pressure monitor itself and then 4 AAA batteries. I'll have a link in the description below to batteries if you need them. So we will take the device, flip it over, and you will see that there's a little arrow. If you push up, it will release this plate right here, and this is where you'll find the batteries. So then we can remove the old batteries. And once the old batteries are out here, we can take the new batteries and make sure that your polarity is correct. So positive with positive, negative with negative. And once the new batteries are in, we'll take this plate and we will stick it back in the slot and then push downward. You'll hear it click in, and we can flip this over, hit the on button, and we see that it works. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.